Hello guys, welcome to the unboxing and installation video of a bed swing with us. So this is a big bed swing that you see. It's 60 inches in diameter. We are going to unbox it and install it for you so that you get an idea of every step. Come. So first it comes in two packaging. So we will open the first packaging. You just have to use a knife or a scissor, detach the tapes, and you're good to go. Come. So this is the second packaging already. Full. Yeah. Okay. So this is the swing. We have packet, which we are going to put to the side. We have two Macrame cushions with us. Now we are going to cut the threads, which will be of different color than the color of the swing. So you have to make sure that you don't cut the swing. And you will cut the threads. So that you're good to go. Here is the cylindrical cushion. And here is the mattress. Ooh, it looks soft and fluffy. Now, this will come along with a set of a chain, a S-hook and a carabiner if you order it with us. This is not a part of the set, but if you order it, you will get it definitely. So you have to take the top loop of the swing, take the chain, insert the chain inside the loop. As easy as it can be. Take the carabiner, attach it to the chain, and then the final step, add the S-hook to the carabiner. This S-hook will go on the top ceiling hook. Now I'm going to grab the stairs, place them, make some place. And simply hang it. Done. Done, done. So here is the swing. This is how it looks once you hang it. Now I'll be attaching the mattress and the cushions to complete the look. So here is the mattress. Ooh. It goes inside the swing. Looks super soft and comfy. Now we have these two threads given on the sides of the mattress to attach the mattress to the swing so that it doesn't go anywhere. This is how it looks. And attaching the second one on the other side. Ooh. Here comes the cylindrical cushion. And the final 2 macrame cushions. And you're good to go. So it's a self-installation. All you need is one hook on the ceiling and you're good to go. Even 2 people can easily install it at the comfort of your doorstep.